Now, two things before we go ahead and start today's video. First, the camera that I'm using right now is the Canon M100, and no matter what the camera you use, the audio quality won't do its justice and pick up the proper sound of the car. Now, I'm hoping that makes sense. Honestly, if you really want to hear these headers, the best thing you can do is hear them in person. In my opinion, they do sound really great, and you guys will hear them just in a second, but whenever I'm recording with my phone, whether I'm recording with this camera, whether I'm recording with the mic, for some reason, it just doesn't sound good. It sounds more raspy, and if I'm being completely honest with you guys, it's not that raspy. Like, I know some headers are really raspy, but like these aren't that raspy. Now, enjoy this video of the cold start. This is the only cold start I have, just because after this I went ahead and tuned my car with the OFT, and once you tune your car with the OFT, it gets rid of the cold start. If you're wearing headphones, I recommend you turn the volume down, and once again, it doesn't sound that good on camera, but in person it sounds really good. Alright, so that was the cold start in Aero, and I know a lot of you are curious to see the actual header, see the quality, the welds on the header. So I'm gonna go ahead and play a couple shots of the actual header itself. Headers I picked up brand new for $370. They're unequal length Catless PLM headers, and I know a lot of you who watch my videos are more familiar with US dollars. So basically, I spent $277 US on these headers. The quality on them, I was shocked. Honestly, there's a saying, you get what you pay for, and these headers put that saying to a shame. Let me go ahead and play some clips of the actual headers itself when I went ahead and unboxed it. You guys can hear me really well. I know there's a lot of wind, and whenever I go ahead and record this video, I've attempted multiple times, whenever I go ahead and record this video, there's always wind, and for some reason this camera just loves to pick up the wind. And this camera also does not take a microphone, so it's kind of stupid. Hopefully I'll upgrade cameras in the future soon, but I'm really hoping you guys can hear me. I know it's kind of windy, and it took me a while to find a good parking lot that I can actually rev and not disturb like the houses around me or whatnot. So what I gotta say is the car is very loud. With the exhaust setup that I'm running right now, if I'm going down a street, you can hear me going down the street for at least a good 5-6 seconds, even after I'm off that street. So the thing is, how I drive is I'm trying my best to keep in the low RPMs, just because I don't want to be that neighbor that is always annoying and like ripping it down the street. Noise complaints, I've got a couple noise complaints, but nothing too major. Some of my neighbors have told me to keep it down. Honestly, it's nothing with the cops, so it's nothing really major. So if you guys are looking for headers for this car, these headers are insane. You guys should really pick up the PLM headers. I got them for such a sick price. PLM is such a good company. I actually DM'd them when I went ahead and picked up these headers. I actually DM'd them because my headers didn't come with any stickers. They literally messaged me like, okay, send out your address. We're gonna go ahead and send you out some stickers. Some companies wouldn't even go ahead and do that. I know it's such a small thing, but the company actually doing that means they actually care about their customers. They care about people who buy their product. So that was a pretty cool thing. Now that we've reached the end of the video, thank you guys so much for watching. And I know today was a short video, and I know my uploading schedule has been completely off. Here's a sneak peek of the next video. Now I hope that gets you excited for the next video. Make sure you drop a like, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one, hopefully soon.